Hello kids, today I am going to start with Standard 8 subject Mathematics chapter Profit and Loss, Discount and Tax. In this chapter, first we'll go through some basic concepts, that is the cost price. The price at which an article is being purchased is called its cost price. Means whenever we are going to a shop to buy something, the amount that we pay for it will be the cost price for it. Overhead expenses, that is the amount that we have to pay on transportation. Means when the object is heavy, the article is heavy that we have bought, so on transportation we have to pay some amount to carry the load. Some labor charges are also applied over there, so that also we have to pay some time, and some time to for fitting of that object or for repairing of if some damage caused while bringing it to our homes, then for that repair also we have to pay something. That is the overhead expense on the cost price. So the total final cost price will be the cost price plus overhead expenses. Now SP, that is the selling price, the price at which an article is being sold. Now sometimes we used to say that I had gained something when your selling price is greater than the cost price. You bought something with a less price and sold it with the more price, then you will have gain. So how much gain you will have? The selling price minus the cost price. Next is loss. When you will have loss when you bought something for more price and you have to sell it with less price. So loss is equals to selling price minus cost price minus selling price. Now if gain and loss are given in terms of percentage, or we have to find out in percentage, so gain percent is equals to gain by CP into 100, that will get in percent, and loss percent will get as loss by CP into 100 as in percent. Now when the gain percent and CP or loss percent and CP is given, to find out SP we are having the formula SP is equals to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. And when we have loss percent, so SP is equals to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. To find out CP, when SP and gain or loss percent are given, CP is equals to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP, and CP is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. So SP and CP can be found out also by unitary method. As now another part of the chapter, that is discount. You must have heard, very much familiar with the word discount, that whenever we are going to buy something in shop, we used to ask that how much discount the shopkeeper can give to us. That means what? That we have to pay that much less amount to buy that particular article. So on which price we will get the discount? We will get the discount on the marked price that is written on the article. The marked price is the price that is written on the article on which we used to get the discount of 10%, 20%, like that. Now list price is the marked price, is also the price that is marked on the article when supplied from factory to the retailer. So sometimes that marked list price itself will be the marked price. Now discount is the rebate that customer will get on marked price, that I already said. Now the selling price, on what is the selling price for the shopkeeper, that is what is marked over there on the article, that is the marked price minus the discount. If the discount is given in percentage, then we will find out as selling price is equals to marked price minus discount percent on marked price. So as a whole we can derive the formula as 1 minus discount percent, that is discount by 100, into marked price. If two or more successive discounts are given, so selling price is equals to 1 minus first discount by 100, means discount percent, 1 minus second discount by 100 into marked price. So in this way we can find out if 2 or 3 discounts will be there, then 1 minus D3 by 100 into marked price. Now what is tax? A contribution added to cost of goods given to the government as a revenue. Thus the price of the goods will increase. We have to pay tax. This word also you must have heard, that whenever we have to pay tax means we have to pay extra money. Where that money is going, that is being contributed to the government for the welfare of the country. So that how to find out the selling price at that time when there will be a tax paid on which? Again on the marked price. So marked price plus tax on the marked price that we have to pay. That means what? Whenever there is a discount, we have to pay less on the marked price, and whenever we have to pay tax, we have to pay more on the marked price. Now we'll discuss few examples, like if the cost price of an article is given 540 and loss percent is given 15%, then what will be the selling price? We have discussed that the selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. So 100 minus loss percent is 15, that is 85 by 100 into 540. We'll calculate, we'll get 559 rupees. Next example is, if the cost price of an article is 1080 with a gain of 25% and a discount of 25% allowed to the customer, find the marked price. So we'll find out the selling price with the gain percent and the cost price. Then we'll assume what we have to find out, that marked price is X. Then selling price is equals to X minus discount percent of X. From there we'll find out X minus 25 by 100 of X. That is equals to 25 divided by 100 is 1 by 4. Means X minus X by 4. We'll take LCM 4. So 4X minus X is 3X by 4. So 3X by 4 is also the selling price when marked price and discount percent is given, and selling price is 1350 using gain percent and cost price. So both are equal. So we will find out X, that will be the marked price for the article.